How to restore deleted photos on Instagram. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and on today's video we will see how we can restore deleted photos on Instagram. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. Instagram provides a recently deleted folder where deleted content is stored for 30 days before permanent removal. So in order to restore them, what you can do is you have to open up the Instagram application and make sure that you're logged into your account. Now navigate to your profile by tapping on the profile icon at the bottom right corner. Once you're on your profile, tap on the three-line icon at the top right, and under settings and activity page, you have to tap on your activity right there. After that, scroll down a bit and there is an option as recently deleted. Tap on it. So under this page, you will find the posts or photos that you have deleted recently. Browse through the deleted photos and select the one that you wish to restore. Tap on it and then tap on the three dot icon at the top right, and here tap on restore. Again, confirm it. Now if you go back to your profile, you will see your photo has been restored, as you can see right there. Refresh your page once, scroll down, and there is the photo right there. So that's the way to restore deleted photos on Instagram, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.